Although most people don't know what heat treatment is, it's actually an essential part of the manufacturing process. That's because heat treating allows a metal piece to be improved in order for the material to better withstand wear and tear. Heat treatment involves heating a metal or alloy to a specific temperature and then cooling it to harden the material. Heat treatment can be used at different stages in the manufacturing process to change certain properties of that metal or alloy. For example, you might use heat treatment to make it stronger, harder, more durable, or more ductile, depending on what the material needs in order to perform properly. Some notable industries in which heat treatment plays an important role include aircraft, automobiles, hardware such as saws and axes, computers, spacecraft, military, and the oil and gas industry. In order to achieve the desired effect, the metal or alloy is heated up to a specified temperature, sometimes as hot as 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit, held at that temperature for a certain amount of time, and then cooled. While it's hot, the metal's physical structure, also called the microstructure, changes, ultimately resulting in its physical properties being changed. The length of time the metal is heated for is called the soak time. The length of soak time plays an important role in the characteristics of a metal, as metal soaked for a long amount of time will see different microstructure changes than metal soaked for a shorter period of time. The cooling process after the soak time also plays a part in the result of the metal. Metal may be cooled quickly, which is called quenching, or slowly in the furnace to make sure it achieves the desired result.